Hello, welcome to this short video on how to pull historical Nigerian GDP growth rates directly in Microsoft Excel. Alright, so very easy and straightforward. You go to Insert menu on your Excel 2016 and you'll see Get Headings. And once it comes up, you type in Nigerian market data. And you see the heading, you click Add. I'm not going to do that because I've already done it and I have it, but when you click it, it's going to install in your Excel and you'll find it under the home menu, right? And so you launch it and instantly all the menu, it does a lot of things, but for this video I'm going to show you how you use it to extract the GDP growth rates, historical figures for Nigeria. So you click anywhere in your Excel and you click on this GDP growth rates and instantly it puts the figure right into Excel. Don't mind this. If you format these as this, they all show up. So if I do it on an empty somewhere I don't have any funny formatting, you see it comes in the normal way. So thank you.